Hello. What I'm doing today is I am at the gun range. I am about to learn how to blast me a motherfucker away. Okay. What I think is that all women should know how to protect themselves. All women should learn. All women should learn how to protect themselves. All women should have some type of protection. And so I'm at the gun range today. Gonna learn how to do that. I don't think any women should be walk around here unprotected. Guns are not just for men. I think that's why they kind of put this cap on it for women. Like, women shouldn't use guns. Women can't use guns. Yes, the fuck we can. Who says, why not? Why the fuck not? We can do everything else. We can get in the kitchen. We can use all them devices, but we can't use a gun. No. Nah. Yeah, so, I should have got me a pistol a while ago. I told myself I was gonna do it when it happened to Pretty. I could have done it a couple of times. I just thought it's more expensive than to get a gun. I thought it was more expensive than what it is to get a gun. I know it was not that expensive. And so I'm about to learn how to use it. Yeah, I'm about to learn how to use it. So here I am at the gun range. Y'all, let's learn how to do this. See now, yeah, okay. So yeah, I'm not playing no games. I'm tired of being vulnerable. I need to learn how to defend myself and my family and my friends and people who I love. And it's time. That's a stalker that's calling me back to back to back like that. I just blocked 2 numbers just now, and it's constant numbers, just constantly calling me from different numbers. That shit is crazy. Anyway, so I'm gonna come back when I get out on the range. So waiting for my trainer. I'm waiting for my trainer to get here. The gun instructor. So I guess I'll see you guys a little later. Bye.